Oh, oh, is it on? Hello? It's only been 9 months. Is this working? Excellent. Excellent connection. Apparently. Hello? YouTube. Where's my stream? Oh, that is still my default icon. Alright. Oh, hello me. I can hear you. Oh, hello me. I can hear you. Oh, thank you. Well, I'll have to mute that because it's gonna repeat. It's been so long. There's probably no one here. Oh, I'm all alone. Let's get some people in here. I'll just put it in uploads. Think release notification showcase. I believe it was this one. Whoa. I'm streaming again. It's only been 9 months. Not long. Not long at all. That's normal, right? It's fine. Oh, it doesn't say that I'm streaming. How do I make it do that? Or is that only on Twitch? Might be Twitch only. Oh, I probably shouldn't click that while that's on the screen. What did that show? Okay, it's fine. Yay. Right. Well, there's apparently one person watching, which I'm pretty sure is me in another tab. Wow. Sirik cannot... Oh, what did that do? Sirik cannot join, unfortunately. Well, he probably won't. If he's even awake. What does that sound? Oh, that's from the music. Someone's got keys. How is... This is working, right? How is... This is working, right? Okay, yeah, I'm saying that's fine. Good enough. None of my friends are awake to watch me. Ah. Tisk. Alright, let me... What? Oh, what just happened? Anyway. Where is... Here it is. So, 8 choc chip. For the Chip8 software. Did I hit my mic? No, okay, my microphone's still fine. Disconnects way too easily. Yes, this is emulator that I'm working on for the Chip8 stuff. Let me open it up because this is currently in a broken state, so let me get a working one, wherever that is. Build it. No, here. Ooh. And you can actually use it. It does work. Mostly. You can see a little logo thing. That's all it's meant to do. Flags. I spent a long time trying to get this to actually work. Oh, I should probably send the stream in a self-promotion channel in this Discord. Wow. No one's probably going to join anyway. And at least until it's too late. Oh well. Maybe I should change my Discord status. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's been so long since I've streamed. No one watches me anymore. It's so sad. Oh. But yes, this is all of my little flags that are correct. A lot of these were broken. I fixed it. Soccer. Where was Pong? There it is. Pong is difficult to win. I have not. How is that out? And yes, it does. I believe it. Actually, I don't know if it's meant to flash or not. But all the other emulators I've seen flash, but also all of those don't pass all the flags like mine does. So who knows? See, it's so difficult. And then I go. Ugh, it wraps around. It's annoying. Yes. Aha. Aha. I'm too good. Don't move. Ah, I shouldn't have moved. I just said don't move. Okay, I got one more. Oh, come on. Could get. Oh. See, that was unfair. Unfair. Oh, now I'm winning. Easy. I'm so good at this. Okay. Ah, dang it. Whoa, there's 2 people watching. Crazy. And then there's soccer, which you kind of need. Oh, I forgot what the controls were. Oh yeah, this one. But yeah, you kind of need multiple people. It's hard to play on your own against yourself. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. 116 commits. Yeah, I started working on it again last week. I guess there was a bit of stuff in October. I think that was a couple months ago. Pretty on and off. Immediately change the icon. Okay. Sure. But yeah, I am currently porting to STL from SFML. And it is very broken. I don't think it even compiles. It does compile. There's no text on all the buttons. And this only is black. So, yay. Currently moving all the stuff to a center window class that I can then extend for the emulator window, the main menu window, the settings window whenever I get one. Because it is best to have, I think you're meant to have like one loop to handle all of them. Then I don't know how to limit the frame rate of individual windows. Or I can always just set them all to 60 frames, I guess. Who knows? This will be my first task, so I can at least get something working. Oh. Okay, so I'm moving stuff from emulator into window basically. Move that down there. And then yeah, so I got window and then renderer. And then I might just split my screen on the second screen real quick. There we go. Oh, that doesn't look great. Oh well. Okay. I got renderer, got window, what else? Got, whoops. How did I do that? A bunch of methods that I need. This is partly taken from some tutorial, or like example, not tutorial. So int window ID, that's the ID of the window, so that events only happen on a specific window, of course. Also imports are pretty messy right now. That does not matter because it's all going to be deleted or changed. Don't need those because that'll be emulator specific window. And then I guess mouse focus, what? Focus. Keyboard focus. full screen. What else? Minimize with a semicolon and shown. What else is there? Don't need those. That should be fine. Okay, and window. Why is it like this? Why does it add a space there? I finally changed up the background music. I use the same one every time I streamed before, but now it is different. Like nice jazz stuff. I like it. Oops. That was... You did not see something flash on the screen. That was a weird thing, but okay. Yes, window anyway. And then... oops. No. Window. And that's the... Why is it like this? And window. Init. Window. What else was there? Update and render. I should probably get input for the keyboard or whatever. Fire, and I need to handle the events. This one, which will actually handle the keyboard stuff as well. Void event, event reference. Put that here. Handle event and render. My favorite one. Sure. And that's basically initialization. Help me. This render. No, render. Window ID. This one. Do. I guess I could just kind of set them all in here and it'll be easier. Oops. Why did I do that? Okay. I don't know if I need this or not now. I'll leave it for now. Alright, and then void close. Okay, and then where is this? That's here. Initialization. Here. Okay, so this is just general Windows stuff, so leave these alone. I don't need those. Pick this. This. So that's setting the icon. Oops, what did I just do? And then window ID shown. Okay. Pick these. Put them in here. And then now what's missing? Whatever, I forgot what header this goes in. IOStream. Ah, yes. Just return. Right, the surrenderer. Window. Renderer. Window. Wait, can the music even be heard? Window. Wait, can the music even be heard? Window. Wait, okay, well that's gonna repeat, so I'll leave that for a second. Can the music even be heard? Window. Okay, well that's okay. Well, yep, seems like it can. What? There we go. ID. Window. Shown. Okay. Oh yeah, I should probably handle the height and width in here as well. Default height, default width. 720 by 480, I guess. Sure. And then I wonder if Twitch would have been better. I don't know, I don't. It's been so long since I streamed. Right, leave that there. Consistency. I don't even need that line. Just this. Oh, so I should maybe be able to do that. Well, okay, no, that code's not even being used yet, so I can't run it. I mean, I can run it, but it's not going to do anything different. And then menu, emulator, so that's how I was handling Windows. And then okay, maybe I'll have to move this back to the main thing, and then this will just be a reference window. No, I want my window. No, I don't want that one. On my window. Here is my window. Include window. Thank you. This one last. I move this back. No, it's still too long. And then this in here. Windows, Windows. Linux is better. Then down in here. It's not a reference, and it's just that. Windows. Okay. Now that should handle that. Actually, I can test that change from before with this. Oh yes, I should probably change all these as well. And leave that for now. window. And window. Ah. Oh yeah. That was a private variable. Oh, shit. No, not capital. Sure. Hey. Oh, there we go. And then instead of launch, it's just init Oh, hello, Sirik. You did make it. Crazy. Was it just because you weren't gonna get up for a while, or you gone to like school or something? The time. I mean the day. It's Friday. I don't know what your schedule. Or do I? Okay. Housework. Fun. Yeah, I mean like university or whatever. Same thing. All school. Init. That just goes to that. Just leave that there for now. Let's break it unless you do. Okay. Nice. That's not so nice. I should probably define that method. No, shown, and don't need any code in it though. Oh, and the asset works. Cool. Oh, and it crashes. I don't know why. I do not know. Actually, it's doing. No, why would that crash? I don't know. I don't know what. There's too many windows open right now. I don't know what's happening. Small. Okay, so in here, there's. Okay, so when quit is true, so that's the quit is when everything is all the windows is closed. And then wait, should probably return. I'll just return true on that. And then this, don't care. Where is the previous window variable that's hiding? Has previous local declaration. Where is the previous local declaration? The Declaration of Independence. Where is that at? Ah, okay, so it's the actual window for this, except that's going to change with this new thing, so. Oh well. Actually, I might be able to move this handling back to the main class, or main file. We don't want to quit yet. And while it is false, and then yep, you want to poll the events. SDL event. Well, SDL poll event with event. Yep. If it's quit, and then handle everything, blah blah blah. I forgot what input handler is right now, but so that doesn't matter. Okay, so one that quit, and then okay, so handle all of those. Shall leave that for now, and then copy this. Okay, so that'll stop the code from running when they're all closed. Where's this error? Ah, there. I don't need that part. Handle event, or this part actually, because this just sends it to the window class, and that handles it. Actually, these should also be overridable. Instead, maybe not that one, but override. I can't remember how to do that. Or mark it as overridable. I don't know if that's a thing. Can't remember. What if I click play now? Oh yeah, there's no windows. Okay. Oops, I keep hitting the button that changes my mouse sensitivity by accident. So, main menu is in here. So, where is the header? Make this extend window. Okay, so no, this doesn't handle that anymore, but it should still handle these, as it is the main class, or the main window class. And then void render override. Did I import the right window? Yep. Don't think I need thread anymore. Render. How do I do this? Was it equals 0? Overridable? No. I should probably look at the other classes that I have for this. Renderer, and then STL renderer. Yeah, it's just like, hey, override this. Oh no, virtual. Yep, there it is. Needs to be a virtual. It's a virtual insanity. That's what it is. Love that song. Oops. So then I don't need that as long as I do this, I think. Oh, it might be fine either way. I don't know. What are you complaining about? A virtual deconstructor. Oh, what? Where did the deconstructor go? Ah, that's in here. It wants me to make that virtual. Virtual insanity. Make this close. I don't think that needs to be that now anyway. Update and render. Handle. I'll sort out inputs later, so I'll just leave that. And void update override. Main menu update. And main menu render. And then it's updating and rendering. So I'll copy this down to here. And this part is the update. Let's update. window. I saw a window there. Oh yeah, and that's this, because that creates a new window. I will just comment this entire thing out now. That's up here. Okay, so this happens in the initialization. I don't need that. Leave this for now, since I moved that out as well. Yes, I'll add debug to here. What are you complaining about? Member is inaccessible. Why? Why is it inaccessible? Not const, it's just private. You should be able to access that. Huh? It's just private. What are you talking about? You should be fine with this. Okay then, leave that alone. Oops. What are you complaining about? Member is inaccessible. Why? Why is it inaccessible? It shouldn't be. Unless it knows that the initialization, no, maybe, that the initialization is not being called. But I don't think so. I don't think I've seen this before. Play music? Oh, it's a playlist of 12 songs. Oh well, guess we go back to the start. How long's it been? That lasted half an hour. Okay then. I like this one. Okay, so why is it like this? I am puzzled. Okay, so the renderer gets set in here. That should be fine. Oh yeah, also I shall make the main menu Windows.place back. What does it want from me? Main menu. Then is ROM files, ROM directories, config file path, and Windows. Okay. And then that should render that. What is it complaining about here? Window is abstract. Okay. And oh, okay, well that fixes it. Cool. Oh yeah, tons of errors in here still. Don't know why. What do you mean? Yeah, sure, it's a private field, but it's a pointer. It just points elsewhere. Actually, why is it a pointer? Oh yeah, because it's a pointer because these taken, I think, wait. Yes, it's a pointer to a pointer. It points twice. So then that needs to be a pointer, I'm pretty sure. Or it should be. That's why those are like that. Why is it like this now? I love having decent internet. The bitrate for the stream is perfect. Like, it's not dropping low. At least that I've seen. Doom, doom, doom. So why are you like this? I could make it public, but then, like, oops. But why would I do that? Okay, let me just start at the top. The window, the same problem. Okay. Oh wait, no, this is this. I can delete this. Yes. Delete that. Delete that. And then, okay, so this is making the UI. So I might move that to the initialization. I think. Was this done for the initialization of the window before? So it did that, and then don't know. No, okay, so it initialized the window first, yeah. And then it created the UI. We'll make this virtual. But it'll still do this, and then in here, void init, I can override it. Provide the definition for the overriding, and then call the old one, the old code, and then whatever I want here after, which is this. And that should be good. I just need to put some of these in the main menu header so that they actually get saved and I can do stuff with them. But that should be good. And debug again. Yay, why is member inaccessible? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I forgot I had this. I should use it. Inaccessible. Okay, yeah, I could do. Might be able to do that, but why? Just for reading, currently writing. We need to read into. What? I don't know if this is related properly. Oh, yes, that makes sense. It needs to not be private, but protected. There we go. I forgot that the main menu is a different class from the window, and yeah. How did I forget about that? Dang. And then ROM files. Where does ROM? Where does ROMs come from? Was that just? No, ROMs were the buttons. Which were here. Where's the header? That in here. And then, yeah, I'll just move some of these into here, I guess. Where is this one? Put that into here. Make that nice. And oh, that wasn't it. What's NFD? What do you want from me? Okay. Oh yeah, there's a libconfig, and then I copied the wrong file. I believe this one needs to stay in here. don't need that in there anymore. Button needs to be moved over here. Okay, so yeah, there's the list of those. This runs, yep. Okay, and then button, which is the choose thing button. Text button. Button. It's the choose folder button. Attempt to use deleted. What? Why? Why? Oh yeah, can't do that. Attempt to use deleted text button and text button operator. What? It runs. Okay, so yeah, I think it just creates one here. Yeah, it does. So then, kind of don't, shouldn't, whatever. Yeah, it wants me to initialize it here. Sure. Button, and then yeah, this is just the choose folder button. Do I have? Do not have the config. Where did the config thing go? Did I delete that? Why would I delete that? Yeah, it's just a string. String config file path. That was here. Well, that's now first, so I'll just move that here. And then config file path, config file path. Main, and then move that here as well. What are you complaining about? I moved that to the start. Oh, okay, not in here though. There we go. And then I don't care right now. Just leave that alone. And then let's choose folder. Okay. See what happens. Doesn't work. Ah yes, just leaving this one. Don't need that. Do I? Maybe I do. What are you complaining about now? Don't. Okay, yeah, get rid of that one. Ah, yes, okay, so I think I did actually need that one because, yeah, that just takes those things. And then that should work. Ah, yay. Yeah, something about abstract class, blah blah blah, pointer. then menu. Did no, so I haven't added it there yet. Reference to that, blah blah blah. Cannot initialize type window main. This feels very bad. How about that? How about them apples? Yeah, okay, just didn't like that. Thought so. Let me just undo the, make that a reference. I mean pointer. And then, I don't know, something like that, abstract class, whatever, blah blah blah. So animal, yep. I'm gonna do it without a pointer. Okay, well, yes, you can use the new thing. This, it's not always the best. Sometimes. Although, yeah, that's just the pointer. Wait, why is it not complaining now? Is it because of this? Yeah, okay. Now it is. That window with main. Look at that pointer. Can you even do it? Add a pointer. Reach the. List of abstracts, blah blah blah. Yeah, okay, so it probably does need to be the pointer. And then I just, yeah, okay. That menu no. Desktop pointer. And window reference or tool pointer. Yeah, and then that does work. Okay. But just doing this does not. Okay. I feel like there's a better way to do this. Now what are you complaining about? Window pointer. Just complaining that it's a pointer. The normal things in life. Oh. Hello? Well, it didn't crash or end. It just didn't show the window. Okay. Well, you see, it might help if I initialize the window first. That might solve that problem. And here we are. Black window. Okay. Now, why is it black? Okay, so handle events. Render. Should be rendering the stuff. I am actually calling these, right? No, I am not. Well, you see, it might help if I actually call the render and update methods. No. Why do those not have spaces? Window pointer, window from windows. And then window update, window render. And hey, there we go. Window's back. Doesn't do anything yet, but it's back. Oh, excuse me. I will be back. I'm going to go get a drink of water. I hath returned. Okay, what was I doing? Yep, got window back up, which is great. Buttons. I'll try to get the buttons working again. Okay, update. Oh. That probably messed up some stuff. I like having them there. Stop changing it. Because then it tells me that it's that variable with like a reference or a pointer. Makes it nicer for me to read. Yeah, that's the point. Okay, well, yeah, it obviously doesn't open the things because of that. But the choose folder button should be able to be clicked. That should work. Ah, there's no handle events. Yes, that may be the reason why the events are not working, because I haven't implemented the event handling. Ha. Where in emulator somewhere? Here it is. I was looking at it the whole time. Okay, so it should just be able to copy this entire thing. Fix the variables. Sure. It's renderer. It's, what was that? Mouse focus. Mouse focus. Keyboard focus. More keyboard focus. Minimize. This window. this. Okay, so that's, what is this from? Ah, yeah, that, I think that's specifically emulator part code. And then this window ID. Yeah, event window ID equal to window ID. And then this still does not work. Why are you like this? Okay, so I do call window handle events, and then so if it's bigger or equal to whatever this is, I don't think that's the problem, but let's double check. That was not the problem. Okay, just had to make sure. That's enter. Oh, okay, so that is just because focus the locus is just clicked. Where do I update if it is clicked? Ah, yes. Okay, so I take an input handler which handles the input. Ah, okay. Did I use an input handler in the emulator? No, I just used my normal. Why did I have a keyboard input handler? And yeah, update last keys. And a keyboard handler. Why did I have two keyboard handlers? I guess, yeah, one is for the emulator and does a bunch of checks like this, but like, why? Like, I probably didn't need to. I'm gonna keep two for now just so I can get it working again, and then I'll change that later. So I just want to get it back to a working state, and then I'll actually make the code better. So main menu, where's this? Here it is. Okay, so yeah, I do have the input handler, and then okay, so it's this. But then how do I properly add stuff to this? Because it just does that. I guess I can change this to a bool, and then if let's just make this return return true, like a success, and then return false, so that failed. And then make it virtual. Main menu, see order in it, then that. Void handle events. Event. Oh yeah, it needs to be a reference override. Why are you complaining? Ah, because it's ooh. Could I just change that? Oh. Handle event. Yep, there we go. This update. Window handle event. And then if. Okay, so if it's true, then you just don't want to continue anything. So if it is true, you do want to continue. Okay, so if not window, no, I mean main menu, not that. Yeah, okay, so I'll change that a sec. Window, middle event. No, okay, fill that out automatically. Not return. Was it a success or a fail if I return true? I already forgot. Okay, so it's a fail on false. So now check for it being false. Else, switch event.type. Case STL event e down. And then, is there any code I can yoink? Or did I delete it? Emulator. Where is that? Ah, yeah, that's just right here. Ah, yeah, because that I can just yoink it from here and delete it at the same time. Where was I again? I'm already lost. Oh, here. Comment. Input handler. Oh no, wait, no, that was for that one. No, the main menu one's gone. And that is why I have my code right here. STL. That was this class, I believe. Yep. And wait, handle key down. Is that not what I just had? Yeah, handle key down. Wait, what method is it then? I had. What am I? No, this is the emulator part. Where's Hey, Techno Snipe. It's been a while. Oh, how you going? Maybe I need to go to the main branch instead, because that's probably not broken. Oh yeah, that's good. You still doing much YouTube stuff? I don't really watch this much YouTube, I guess, anymore. This, and then aha, here it is. How did I lose this? Okay, so that at the end of the update, handle those inputs, and then so add key press, add key, blah blah blah. So key down. This handler. Add key. Should be fine. A bit, but not as much as I used to. Ah yeah, fair enough. I am working on an emulator. So it is for, yeah, it's a Chip8 emulator. Basically some really old, like from the 70s and 80s. Like basically a programming language that standardized making games for the time. I'll show you a working version. So this is what the UI is that I'm currently working on is meant to look like. And then I'll just play some Pong. It's a 64 by 32 pixel screen with two colors, black and white. Ah, dang it, this is rigged. You saw that. This is rigged. I hate this game. But yeah, this is basically what it is. It's you can't wrap around, it breaks. But yeah, this is what I'm trying to make. Well, I'm porting it to a different Windows system, so I've already made most of it. But I want to work on like settings and like the cool stuff, or the other cool stuff. It's a good place to like get started with learning how to make. Dang it! With I forgot. I can't words. It's a good place to get started with emulation, like learning how to make emulators and stuff, since it's pretty simple. The only problem is most tutorials are based on this other tutorial, and that tutorial is broken. So I had to go in and figure out how to fix it all myself without knowing like how to actually do it. It was basically just changing a couple lines, but it still took ages. Because I went through tons of tutorials and they were all the same. I had the exact same code, but it didn't work. I'll show you this flag test. Everything works. I had maybe like 2, 4, 6, 8, like maybe 9 or 10, maybe slightly more that were not working, and that's the average. Like most of them will be broken like that. But I spent painful hours fixing it. I accidentally fixed it. I don't know how I fixed some of them, but they work now, so I'm happy. My phone vibrated. Got a message. What message did I get? Was it JCar again? It's probably from JCar. Yeah, it was from JCar. 50% off. Awesome. For some things. Anyway. This input handler. Repeat. But yeah, it's really fun and it teaches you a lot. Like some really good stuff, like learning how like memory and like the stack works, and yeah, it's actually like some pretty low level stuff. It's really cool. I want to make an NES one next, most likely. Mouse button down. Button. Yeah, that's what I want to try to do next. I think that just uses the same thing. Physical key, maybe? No, that's a keyboard event. Button, there it is. Button. Spiel event, mouse, button up. Move button. Oh, button. Okay, so now I think if I return and true, so it succeeded. Should no, it still doesn't let me click. Why? Why? Let me go back main menu. Okay, so I did that. Updates those after. At the bottom now. Does that and then that. Input handler is just pressed. It might. Okay, let me see. F3 does nothing. I think I removed that temporarily, so that's probably why. So I'll just do a. Nope. Struggling to type. End line. Let's see if that actually registers that at least. It does not. Why? Okay, well, let's see if key down actually fires. I was not meant to debug it, but that's fine. Okay, so that doesn't even fired. Does this though? Why is that? Default case, blah blah blah. Don't care. Okay, so it gets events. Okay, so 2. It is not getting input events though. When I type on my keyboard, it just doesn't care. But when I enter and exit, then it's like, hey, yep, stuff happens. Is it an issue with this, or maybe that is something with this? It is. Yay. Awesome. What files do I have? What are in my files? Why not C? Because I like object orientated. So yeah. Okay, so I fixed that. I guess this is just for that stuff. Okay, so now F3. Okay, so I can click. Oh wait, no, I removed the debug thing, I think. Didn't I? Why is these like this? Why is Zems like this? Why are you like that? Main menu. Yeah, I moved the debug thing, but that should work now. Okay. What if I yeah, no, those still won't do anything. Because what is this to do? And why does it not have these? Make sure that it's a file that can be emulated at least. Basic check so it isn't like a Word doc. Okay. I also need to check the file size, because they can get big. I mean, like you could pick a random file, it's like a terabyte, and it will not load it. It'll try, but it won't be able to. Okay, so here's that. Yes, and then main menu. I need to take this a reference to this Windows list. Reference to that. And then okay, so it's already in there, and then here. Windows last. Wait, choose folder. Oh yeah, that's the button thing. Okay, so this goes here. Windows. Okay. Then I go back here to here. Okay, so yep, it's like, yep, you can do this now. So that's cool. And then that. So that just does a basic window. There should be nothing in the window. It crashed. Haha. Okay, let's see if it actually is something with the initialization. Okay. It might just be because it's the blank window class and it doesn't like that. Those shouldn't really dislike it. Should still work. evidently, no, it shouldn't. But why? There should be something in the initialization. Actually, I might just go ahead and make the emulator, or yes, switch the emulator class. Where did that go? Here and here. Yeah, start transforming this into the proper window thing. Probably. Oh, make this use the window class that I just made. That apparently doesn't exist. Dude. Window. No. The window. There we go. Don't need any of these. I will need those. Just delete those for now. Don't need that. Initialization will handle that. Keep this, I guess. Don't need those. Don't think I need those. Now it's really mad at me. Okay, I'll keep the render for now. Other than this, which I'll comment out, I don't need this. What's this one? Oh yeah, that's the initialization part. And then all of this, don't need. This renderer. I need to change this name. That's the internal renderer, and then this is the render wrapper. Okay, that's good. Okay, I can delete that. Do I need this? I don't think so. I'll leave that alone for now. And void. Do I need to initialize? Yes, I do. Initialize. I also need to handle the event. Handle event. No. That. Update and render. Okay. Change this to net. Ooh, I also need the ROM, which I'll probably just pass in through here. And yep, ROM up there. ROM is the ROM. Change the order. I don't think I need those because that should be just creating them automatically and they're not linked to anything else. Void. Okay, so that'll check that. And then, so that's doing that. I don't need that anymore. And then I shall yoink this. Emulator. Yep. So handle everything else first, and then take this. Okay. I guess the default one can then just return true. Return true. Then I don't need that. Oh, I guess it still wants one anyway. Oh well. Oh well. Focus. Do I need that? Did I even add that in here? I'll just comment that out now. And then render. Or even if it is minimized. Oh wait, minimized? Is that like in the taskbar or just not showing at all or in the background? I don't know. But just do that for now. Don't need that right now or that. STL render. Oh yeah, render wrapper. Renderer. No. This renderer. This renderer. CPU. No, this CPU. What's the last error? Ah, yeah. What else was there? Render and update. Ah, yeah, so it's just basically moving this into the update method. Okay. Let's see, does this run? Oh, okay, no, it just crashes. Why? Okay, back to main menu. And it... Oh, wait a second, did I... Emulator down here? It... I did not. Wasn't me. I did not. No in it. Still crashes. Okay. Main menu. Yes, for this. We'll see if it actually gets past this time. It does not. Of course. It's not even done the emulator part. What? Emulator. And then run button first. Remove that. Emulator. And then that should work. Okay. Progress. A window pops up, but then it crashes. Why? Why does it crash? Is it an issue with this? Or something else? Oh, I should probably put that on Do Not Disturb. I can still test here. It's on my other screen. Okay, it does get past, and then it crashes. Let's see if it makes it to the end of here before it crashes. Okay, well, maybe I should probably do this so I can actually tell. Okay, so it does make it past there, so it's probably not an issue in this class, and it's an issue in main. Ugh. Why does it crash? Maybe I'm forgetting to implement a method that needs to be overridden. Overrided. So I go init, handle event, update, render. No? I think that's fine. Main. Yeah, updates and renders. Maybe it's crashing in the emulator. Oops. Oops. That should... Yep, so it easily gets there. Thought so. Okay, so update and update. Render and render. Does not even get into the first render. Is it this? Does not even get into there. Interesting. Okay, so it goes through updates. Okay. So updates main, which is where this happens, goes into Windows. It does all its fancy things, which I'm pretty sure before it did complete. Goes back out and then renders that window, and then it updates and renders the other window, but maybe it doesn't like it changing on the fly inside of this loop. So what was Windows again? Is that just a vector? Yeah, that's just a vector. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's probably vector. Let's see if making a copy. No. Did not. Because update, that shouldn't affect this at all. And then after loop. To create end after loop. No. I don't think it is from that. Because it should be getting created at the end, so it may just not care. Create and update, and then after loop. And then I'll see if it starts again. What's the star loop now? Okay, so it does finish the loop. Input. Gets the input. Okay, start loop. Input. Okay, so between after between here and here, it fails. Window. Don't care about the local declaration. So is it input in here or not? Is it the one in here? Actually, no, event doesn't even get called, so it shouldn't. So it might be. Yeah, actually, because I got the event right in here. That doesn't get called either. Does it even make it? It should make it in here, at least. Yeah, main input start. Does it make it to here? No. It crashes in here. Why? Why would it do that? It's not nice. Shouldn't do that. It's already been 1.5 hours. Ugh. I will be back. I have to go to the bathroom real quick. I have returned. Where does it crash and why? What could it be? Start in done, and that. Okay, so it's start. What? Okay, so it goes input, main input start, which is here. Wait, what? How did I just... Oh no, these are the... Yeah, because it doesn't get past this, does it? Oops. Whoa. What is this? Never seen this before. Okay. That's scary. Okay, so it goes input, main input to real start, which is this, main input, and then it goes to here, main input start, and then it fails. Yep. Okay, now hold on. Starts, main input start, main input sad. Where was sad? Oh yeah, okay, so fails that. And then real failed. It returns false. But that doesn't care. Okay, so it does get to after. After input. Okay, so no, it definitely doesn't get there. And be here. After, before. And then it's dead. And it's just completely dead. So it gets... It does the main one. It completes that fine. And it's like, yep, hey, this is not my event, so I'm just going to return. And then goes to before, and then it tries to handle the event for emulator, but it doesn't even get to the start. What? And it doesn't get here. It goes through once, and then it dies. And update. Yeah. That's what creates it. A reference, blah blah blah. Maybe it's like the lifetime of this. I don't know how to use the new keyword in this. Oh, that's the list over again. Just put it on loop. So I probably won't loop again. I'll probably end it at like 2 hours, or after, maybe after this playlist is done again. Oh, had a peak of 6 people. What, like 40 minutes ago? I'm wondering if it is the lifetime of this somehow. Okay, so window. Okay, so those are different pointers. Good. Because they're different windows, so yep. Why? Emulator doesn't even get to here. So I don't understand. Yeah, what if I also do a new a emulator. Oh, it's not gonna like that. Okay, maybe I need to copy the path of ROM. /flags.ch8 windows.place back emulator and emulator.initialization. And it doesn't crash. I'm thinking it's the lifetime of that variable, and then when it goes back again for whatever reason, it just dies. Which is why I wanted to hold them specifically in here. That, or it's somehow part of that, or somehow because of that. No, it's definitely something with a lifetime. I forgot how to. I don't think I've used the new keyword. New expression. How do I use it? New. Okay. Emulator. It was new emulator. But then it screams at me. No viable constructor. But yes, there is. So, so it wants a pointer? And okay, sure, auto. Unless I can just stuff them in there, which I think I can do now with this. And if it doesn't crash, look at that, I got it. But with this, I will need to actually properly clean up the memory whenever it's closed, because otherwise stuff happens. And I will need to properly handle that, which I'll figure out later. I'll just do it properly. Cool, and now I need to clean up all the debugs that I did. Okay, that should be all of these. Input after blah blah blah. Well, this is a lesson, so now I know that stuff like that happens and how to fix it. Window. There and there. I think that was it. Yep. Cool. I mean, it doesn't. Oh. Okay, well, if it doesn't like that one. Is it that one or 1, 2, 3, 4? I think it's just if I open, yeah. Is it if I have multiple open at once, or is it close and then open one? Okay, so it's just like multiple. Oh. Oh. Why? Okay, well, first I want to just make it actually render stuff, because it should be doing that. So emulator, render. Make sure this is being called, which, I mean, why would it not be? Yep, perfect. Is it something with the color? Is it just doing everything black? Oh, that was green. Oh, you mean, yeah, G stands for green, so render. How does this render? So it sets the draw color. Okay. Clear the window, render clear, and draws the stuff, which is this method, and then does that. And draw pickle. And STL render it. Okay, so it sets the color. It should be white, but it doesn't do anything. This. 1 and 2 have both been called many times. So it is running, but it's not drawing. Fill rectangle. Is it the position or what? Scale 15. That should be fine. I'll just set it to like, what, 10, 10, and that's the width and stuff. Still nothing. Render a H. Yeah, so yep. Should be drawing to the renderer. Emulator. Okay, so I call render. And then it does that. Okay, I might, instead of storing this here, I might just make it so it passes this through instead. Maybe it's like it moves or something. Under this one. And then render in here. Or might actually change it to renderer instead of window. Renderer. And render in here. What are you complaining about? Oh yeah, because I kind of got that. And then I'll just set this to 15 here. And then STL renderer, renderer, window. And then renderer. What are you complaining about? Renderer. Yep, so I did that. DL renderer on draw pixel on. That's on render. Okay. Renderer. And then pass through renderer. Let's see. Or not. Don't think I need that anymore. Hey, there we go. It was just an issue with that. It's okay. Well, now the issue is that it's way too fast. But hey, it's working. Perfect. Well, it's not perfect, but what if I open multiple now? Okay, so I open multiple and then it just freezes everything. Cool. What if I do an STL delay 15 milliseconds? That will slow it down to about normal speed, 60 frames. Actually, I don't know if that's what the original ran on, but that's what this is doing. There's no sound as I have not added that back yet. Ooh. But it's not bad. It's the fruits of my labor. Help. Okay, I'm good. The AI seems better now. I don't know what it is, because before they would always, I almost pointed to my screen with my hand. They would always stay maybe like up here and then get stuck around here, which they kind of are right now, but they never really went around here and chase me as much. I don't know, it might just be my imagination. Oh, 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 oh. I'm gonna beat this level. I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna win. They're scary. I'm scared. There's one left. I'm going to get it. I think that counts as a win. Yes. I may have died and won. Yeah, there's usually little beeps. It only did like single tune beeps, which I haven't done in STL yet. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to beat 2 levels. Because usually it would end on 2 levels, but apparently there's more than 2 levels, so it might have just been might have just been an issue in my interpreter. Oh, I'm just dead now. Or maybe you only had 2 lives or something, I don't know. But now I do get the proper fail screen at least. And I also need to fix any window being like doing the hover thing. At least it doesn't click. Yes, making so much good progress. Oh. Okay, so now I want to figure out why it crashes when there are multiple. Like this. So that is strange. And I don't know if it's an issue with me using the new keyword or not. I don't think it should be, because it just adds to this. Oh, it might just not like multiple windows with the same name. That might be what it is. Windows in it. Well, no, these have the same name though. Yeah, those are just the same name. I don't think that's what it is. But it crashes everything. Okay, so Windows, yeah, that just resizes, so that shouldn't be a problem with like being too many. And then everything just loops, blah blah blah. Maybe it's an issue with this. Maybe like there's a flaw in it and it just... Nope. Not because of that. Oh, how long left? 2, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah, maybe like 15 minutes left. Oh. 13, 14 minutes left, and then I shall end the stream. Hopefully I figure this out first. That's always true. That shouldn't be the problem. It might be an issue with the emulator because I can open 2 windows, the main window and an emulator window. But then when another one of these opens, then it dies. It's dead. Oh no. No renderer, so these get created with each thing, so it shouldn't be that. Flag. It shouldn't be the title. Title of the window. May only call this function from the main thread, which this is single thread, so that should be fine. Doesn't say anything about it needing to be unique. It also doesn't give this error, which if it did need to be unique, it should just do that, which it doesn't. So maybe it is an error and it returns, but it just doesn't do anything. Okay, well, debug time. Two, three. Fuel and five. Okay, so so it's not an issue in initialization. I feel like this is going to be really annoying. Just the possibility. Why? Does anyone know? Why is it not working? So, main menu. Let's just go. Yep. Okay, so let's see if it actually creates properly. Okay, yep, so it gets past the initialization. Should get past here as well. There we go, just turn the fan up. Okay, so that's one and that's two. So it does get to the end. So it shouldn't be any problems in the main menu. Keep those in here for debugging when stuff happens. Okay, so that's update, and then it goes to render. Three. Okay, so it creates, finishes that, but it never ends here. Okay. Update. 4. So 1, 2. Okay, it doesn't even get to update in the emulator. So just goes from here, and then bam, dead. One, two, okay, and that ends, and then it goes to another one. I should probably do this so I can figure out if it's in the render or the update. Okay, so it goes, that creates it, updates, renders that one, and then ends, and then starts, and then is an update, which should, okay, so then it tries to update the emulator. Should be this one. Okay, so it must be, is it in here or? No, it doesn't even make, okay, so it starts and then it tries to do the update, but then it never gets the update. Unless it's pulling this for some reason. No. Okay. But it never actually gets to there. Why? I want to finish, I want to figure this out and then I'll probably end. So why? Is it a lifetime issue again? But it should work now. I do like, yep, new pointer thingy. Maybe it overrides it, the old one, when this happens. So then it's a null pointer. Aha, okay, yeah, so that, whatever one this is, which I assume is the old one that's already opened, becomes null. A null pointer. It doesn't point anywhere. Because I guess this overrides it? Okay. Identical to 4, automatic storage, whatever that is. Five and 6 contain memory leaks. Fun. That lifetime. Create new instance of class. Need to learn more C++. I don't understand that. Lifetime. Temporary object lifetime. I don't really want it temporary though. operator equals blah blah blah. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna chat GPT it real quick. Give just a second. C++, oh. Okay, let's see. I'll just go back to my code here. Okay, so I'm dynamically allocating the object using new and then calling initialization on it. Yep. Vector does not take ownership of the raw pointer. It does not, yeah. Doesn't take ownership. Okay, so smart pointer. You want the pointer to be smart and not dumb. Make unique emulator run first. Okay, and then so that make unique hello, or wait, now what does it want? A unique pointer, not a make. Yeah, okay, that was just me dumb. Menu up here. That's main menu in here. That and that. I go down. That should work. Ah, okay. So, oh. What does it want now? Cannot convert that to that. Is that what it wants? Doesn't really seem like it is. Ooh. Hmm. Yeah. Let me just give him this error as well. Oh. Oh. Okay. Const auto reference window. Oops, that already was there. Then this and this. Comment that. Oh. Okay, now that crashed. That crashed in middle this time, I believe. Except that was when the first one happened. So no get the pointer. No emulator. Okay, so it doesn't get to that. Yeah, so it just fails in render. 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 Why? Ah, okay, I think it is because window is window pointer get. And then aha. And then all the others are fine because it's just using it a single time, which does not erase whatever the last thing is. Okay. Dang it. It doesn't work. I mean, I'm back to, no, yeah, I'm pretty much just back to where I started. Although, it gets out of here. So, and loop E, it might, well, let's see. So it doesn't, okay, so it gets out of that, but doesn't end. It might actually just be an issue in here. Still. No, it's still, okay, I just have the same problem still. Why? Why does it get set to 0? 0. Alright, well, I think that's gonna be it for this stream. That was fun. Maybe I'll do it again tomorrow. Or the next day. What day is it today? It's Friday. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Not at the same time though. Yep. I'll probably do a lot of fixing off stream though if I do stream again. Yeah. Goodbye.